Hi, I'm Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors, and I'm actually standing in front of my home, which was a ranch home built in 1957, was pretty plain. Well, after living in the home a couple years, I decided to remodel it. One of the products we changed out of my home is we put new energy efficient windows in. The old windows were wood, they required a lot of maintenance, they were drafty, they didn't work very well. So we put in new energy efficient windows that are maintenance free. Our windows have Krypton gas. That's better than Argon. It's more energy efficient, plus it deadens the outside noise. I was able to save a lot of money on my heating and cooling costs, plus make it more comfortable, warmer in the winter, cooler in the summer. If you'd like to find out more about how Key Exteriors could help you improve the exterior of your home, including windows, give us a call at 492-8062 or go to our website at keyexteriors.com or stop into the showroom at 821 West Coliseum Boulevard. We can give you more information about how energy efficient windows can help you save money on your home as well.